Childhood asthma is a major concern in the Ohio Valley for a lot of parents, but Norton Healthcare is helping ease those concerns by working with both adults and children. Kyeli Brandon is a lovable 6-year-old. She loves her mom, her siblings, and fettuccine night with the family. She also has asthma.
Kyli's 6 years old, and she was diagnosed when she was about 6 months. And it's just been a rocky road ever since.
Kyeli often has to go to the hospital for days, even weeks.
Every time she's in the hospital, she has to be on IVs, and it's just scary.
A lot of kids come in and they say, I thought it was just a cold. They're breathing hard, their bellies are moving in and out, and they show the typical signs. A lot of kids just cough, 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 and they cough so hard they throw up.
Beth VanCleave is an asthma educator at Children's Hospital. Her job is to teach children like Kyeli and their families about asthma.
Okay. And once the kid is almost ready to go home, I like to go into the room, show them pictures of our coloring book, explain to them how they can watch out for their triggers, how they can adjust their lifestyle, the need to take their medicines, what medicines they're going home on, how to use them appropriately to make sure it's getting where it needs to be.
She is very helpful. She explained to me ways that I can prevent her from having to make so many trips to the hospital. She gave me signs to look for, early signs, to where I can take her to the hospital and she may not have to be admitted because it was diagnosed early.
Kyeli is very knowledgeable about her asthma. She knows the triggers which can cause hers to surface, very cold or very hot weather.
What are the triggers of asthma? They can be as simple as an upper airway virus or cold. It can be allergies. It can also be the stress. A lot of kids have stress in their home and school that nobody really understands because the children don't know how to express it.
You have to put this right here, and then I have to put my...
Kyeli learned how to manage her asthma during her hospital stays, which she hopes won't be as frequent.
The hospital stays are great. It's not a good experience to have to stay, but they make it very comforting.
Nearly 20 million people in the U.S. have asthma, and 9 million of them, like Kyeli, are children. For Norton Healthcare, I'm Jackie Hayes.